In the labyrinthine world of finance, the menace of fraud is an ever-present shadow, casting doubt and uncertainty over the integrity of financial systems. As a seasoned expert in regulatory compliance and anti-money laundering, AML, I've dedicated my career to unraveling the complexities of fraud and implementing robust strategies to safeguard businesses from such malpractices. This deep dive into the realm of auditing is more than a mere exposition, it's a meticulous exploration of the nuanced strategies that can unearth hidden fraud. The art and science of auditing. At the heart of effective auditing lies a blend of scientific precision and intuitive art. It's a discipline that demands not only a mastery of numbers but also an acute understanding of human behavior and organizational dynamics. In combating fraud, auditors employ a multifaceted approach, weaving together various strands of expertise to create a tapestry of defense against deceitful practices. The cornerstone of any robust auditing strategy is a comprehensive risk assessment. This involves a granular analysis of an organization's vulnerability to fraud. For example, areas like procurement, where large sums of money change hands, or departments with lax oversight, are fertile grounds for financial misdeeds. By identifying these hotspots, auditors can deploy targeted measures to monitor and mitigate the risk of fraud. In the era of big data, the use of advanced analytical tools has become indispensable in the fight against fraud. Sophisticated software capable of processing vast datasets can flag anomalies and patterns indicative of fraudulent activities. For instance, an irregular spike in vendor payments or unusual patterns in expense claims can be telltale signs of embezzlement or misappropriation. Forensic accounting is where auditing meets detective work. This specialized field involves delving into financial records to unearth evidence of fraud. Techniques such as tracing the source of funds, analyzing complex financial transactions, and scrutinizing contract agreements are integral to this process. It's a meticulous task that often reveals the subtle, cleverly concealed threads of fraud. Despite the advancements in technology, human intelligence remains a critical component of fraud detection. Interviews with employees can provide insights that no algorithm can. Similarly, effective whistleblower policies empower employees to report suspicious activities without fear of reprisal. These policies not only help in unearthing fraud but also foster a culture of integrity and transparency within the organization. Case studies. Lessons from the field examining real-world instances of fraud detection offers valuable insights into the efficacy of these strategies. In one notable case, a large corporation faced a massive fraud scheme that went undetected in routine audits. It was only when forensic auditors employed data analytics to track unexplained financial discrepancies that the scheme was brought to light. Another instance saw the revelation of a sophisticated tax evasion plot, unraveled thanks to a conscientious employee's tip. This case highlights the dual importance of having vigilant staff and robust reporting mechanisms in place. Tax audits represent a critical arena in the fight against fraud. Preparing for a tax audit involves a thorough review of financial records, ensuring compliance with tax laws, and understanding the nuances of tax regulations. Uncovering hidden fraud is a complex, ever-evolving challenge that requires a dynamic and multifaceted approach. Auditors must be vigilant, adaptable, and continuously informed about the latest developments in fraud and auditing techniques.